Chapter 15, Producing and Consuming Goods. Keywords: goods, commodities, producer, consumer, durable, non-durable, income, materials, production, natural resources, human, equipment, market, seller, buyer, internet. Answer the following. What are goods? Answer. Goods are the commodities that fulfill needs and wants of people. Who is a producer? Answer. A producer is a person who makes or grows goods. Who is a consumer? A consumer is a person who buys and uses goods. How does a producer decide what to produce? Answer. A producer decides what to produce based on the consumer's needs and wants. Differentiate between goods and services. Goods is something buy and consume. They can be seen and touched. They can be stored. There is a time gap between the production and consumption of goods. Example: pen, paper, fruits, vegetables, notebook, etc. Services. A service is something that someone does for you. They cannot be seen and touched but felt. That cannot be stored. There is no time gap between the production and consumption of services. Examples: teaching, medical care, plumbing, barber, plumber, etc. Match the following. Producer produces goods. Consumer buys and uses goods. Durable goods, a good that can be used repeatedly. Non-durable goods that cannot be used repeatedly. Market, a place where sellers and buyers meet. What are the three different resources needed for production of goods? Answer. The three different resources needed for production of goods are: natural resources are those resources that are found in and on the earth, such as water, oil, and soil. Human resources are the people who work in factories or as artisans, truck drivers, shopkeepers, teachers, doctors, and so on. Capital resources are tools, equipments, buildings, trucks, computer, desks, chairs, and so on that are used to produce goods. Why is the market important? Answer. The market is important because it is a place where buyers and sellers meet to sell and buy finished goods respectively. At other times, producers sell their goods to people who in turn sells them in the market. What is the differences between traditional shopping and online shopping? Answer. Traditional shopping is a method of buying a product by going to a store. Online shopping or e-shopping is a form of electronic commerce which allows consumers to directly buy goods or services from a seller over the internet using a web browser. Points to remember: commodities, a product or material that can be bought and sold. The things that people make, grow, or sell are known as goods. Producer, a person who makes or grows goods is called a producer. Consumer, a person who buys and uses goods is called a consumer. Trade, the action of buying and selling goods are called services.